In this video, you're going to learn to determine if ratios are equivalent. There are several different methods, and the method you choose depends on the numbers you're given in each ratio. In method 1, we are going to use unit rates. We want to determine if 20 miles in 5 minutes is equivalent to 45 miles in 9 hours. We're going to use unit rates. First, we have 20 miles in 5 minutes, and as a unit rate will be 4 miles in 1 minute. Then we're going to look at 45 miles in 9 hours. That will equal 5 miles in 1 minute. So therefore, these are not the same rates. They are not equal. Let's look at another example using the same method. Are 3 shirts for $21 equivalent to 5 shirts for $35? So we are going to set up an equivalent ratio, again, looking for the unit rate. So 21 shirts for $3 costs $7 for 1 shirt. $35 for 5 shirts costs $7 for 1 shirt. So therefore, the original ratio are equivalent. In the next method, we're going to set up equivalent ratios. We have 3 free throws made out of 7 attempts. Is that the same as 9 free throws made out of 14 attempts? So I'm going to start off by making the first rate 3 free throws out of 7 attempts. Does that equal 9 free throws out of 14 attempts? So I'm going to look at 7 times what gave me 14, and 7 times 2 gave me 14. Does 3 times 2 give us 9? And the answer is no. So therefore, 3 to 7 is not equivalent to 9 to 14. Let's see another example. Is 12 minutes to drive 30 laps equivalent to 48 minutes to drive 120 laps? 12 minutes for 30 laps. Does it equal 48 minutes to 120 laps? 30 times 4 gives you 120. Does 12 times 4 give you 48? Yes, it does. So these two ratios are equivalent. The last method uses cross products to see if ratios are equivalent. So again, we have 3 free throws in 7 attempts, and we want to see if it is equivalent to 9 free throws in 14 attempts. So I'm going to see if my cross products are equal. Okay, 3 times 14. Okay, does that equal 9 times 7? 3 times 14 is 42. And 9 times 7 is 63. So they do not equal each other, and therefore the ratios also do not equal.